Are you looking for the best e-bikes? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best e-bikes on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Schwinn Coston. The Schwinn Coston electric bike is a comfortable and stylish step-through e-bike, perfect for city cruising and commuting. Bicycle high voltage. Why choose the Coston? Step-through frame, easy to mount and dismount, ideal for riders of all ages. Comfort cruiser design, smooth ride with front suspension for added comfort. 20 miles per hour top speed, ride with throttle or pedal assist for effortless travel. Up to 35-mile range, commute with confidence on a single charge. Fast charging, fully charges in just 4 hours, quicker than many competitors. Key specs. Wheel size, 27.5 inches. Motor, 250W rear hub, Class 2. Battery, 288Wh internal, replaceable. Weight, 56.76 pounds, L/XL. Claimed range, 35 miles. Perfect for urban commuting and weekend rides. Riders looking for a comfy, easy-to-ride e-bike. Anyone needing a quick-charging electric bike. Would you like a comparison with similar models or help choosing the best e-bike for you? Number 2. VELOWAVE Ranger E-MTB 3. The VELOWAVE Ranger Fat Tire e-bike is a powerful and rugged electric bike designed to conquer tough terrain, whether it's sand, snow, or dirt trails. Snow-capped mountain man biking. Why choose the VELOWAVE Ranger? 750W BAFA motor, delivers Class 3 speeds with powerful acceleration. Fat tires for all terrain, 26-inch wide tires provide stability and traction in sand, snow, and off-road conditions. Shimano components, reliable and smooth 7-speed drivetrain. Multiple riding modes, use throttle, pedal assist, or manual mode for versatile riding. Long-lasting battery, 720Wh internal battery offers 25 to 40 miles of range on a single charge. Key specs. Wheel size, 26 inches. Motor, 750W rear hub, Class 3. Battery, 720Wh internal. Weight, 75 pounds. Claimed range, 25 to 40 miles. Balance scale pros and cons. White heavy checkmark excels in snow and sand. White heavy checkmark quality Shimano components. White heavy checkmark reliable BAFA motor. White heavy checkmark versatile riding modes. Crossmark heavy at 75 pounds. Crossmark only fits riders 5-6 inch plus. Crossmark higher price point. Who is this for? Heavy checkmark adventure seekers who want a year-round e-bike. Heavy checkmark riders tackling sand, snow, or rough terrain. Heavy checkmark anyone looking for a powerful, durable, and feature-packed fat tire e-bike. Would you like a comparison with other fat tire e-bikes or help finding the best deal? Number 3. PASELEC GS9 E-MTB. The PASELEC GS9 E-MTB is a powerful and versatile electric mountain bike designed for trail riding and off-road adventures. Why choose the PASELEC GS9? White heavy checkmark 500W motor, Class 3, provides plenty of power to tackle steep hills and rough trails. White heavy checkmark full electric mode, ride without pedaling when needed. White heavy checkmark 624Wh battery, delivers a 30 to 50 mile range on a single charge. White heavy checkmark 9-speed gear system, offers flexibility for different terrains. White heavy checkmark low center of gravity, internal battery placement improves stability and handling. White heavy checkmark hydraulic disc brakes, reliable stopping power in all conditions. Key specs. Wheel size, 27.5 inches. Motor, 500W rear hub, Class 3. Battery, 624Wh internal, replaceable. Weight, 59.5 pounds. Claimed range, 30 to 50 miles. Balance scale pros and cons. White heavy checkmark strong motor for off-road use. White heavy checkmark large battery for extended rides. White heavy checkmark hydraulic disc brakes for safety. White heavy checkmark easy to read display. Crossmark heavy for a mountain bike. Crossmark uses lesser known component brands. Who is this for? Heavy checkmark mountain bikers looking for extra power on trails. Heavy checkmark riders who want an electric MTB with a strong battery and good range. Heavy checkmark anyone looking for an affordable E-MTB with full electric mode. Would you like a comparison with similar E-MTBs or recommendations on the best places to buy it? Number 4. Swagtron Swagcycle EB5. The Swagcycle EB5 is a compact, foldable, and budget-friendly e-bike designed for commuters and urban riders. Bicycle sparkles. Fire. Why choose the Swagcycle EB5? White heavy checkmark ultra compact and foldable, perfect for tight spaces, public transport, and small apartments. White heavy checkmark lightweight, 37 pounds, easier to carry than most e-bikes. White heavy checkmark 250W motor, ideal for short city commutes and flat terrain. White heavy checkmark 15.5 mile range, covers the last mile of your commute effortlessly. White heavy checkmark affordable, one of the cheapest foldable e-bikes available. Pushpin key specs. Wheel size, 14 inches. Motor, 250W rear hub, class 1. Battery, 280.8 Wh internal. Weight, 37 pounds. Claimed range, 15.5 miles. Top speed, 15 miles per hour. Balance scale pros and cons. White heavy checkmark compact and easy to store. White heavy checkmark quick folding design for commuters. White heavy checkmark lighter than most e-bikes. Crossmark single speed drivetrain, no gears. Crossmark lacks a built-in speedometer. Who is this for? Heavy checkmark commuters needing a lightweight, portable e-bike. Heavy checkmark city dwellers with limited storage space. Heavy checkmark casual riders looking for an affordable, no-fuss e-bike. Would you like a comparison with similar foldable e-bikes, or help finding the best deals online? Man biking. Number 5. Sixthreezero Around the Block Women's e-bike. The Around the Block Women's Cruiser e-bike is a comfortable and stylish option for casual riders looking for extra speed and convenience around town. Bicycle sparkles. Fire. Why choose the Around the Block e-bike? White heavy checkmark classic cruiser design, comfortable ride with wide handlebars and a soft saddle. White heavy checkmark motor options, available in 250W, class 2, or 500W, class 3, versions. White heavy checkmark good battery range, choose between 250WH, 20 miles, or 500WH, 60 miles, depending on your needs. White heavy checkmark relaxed riding style, perfect for errands, beach rides, and leisurely city cruising. White heavy checkmark highly rated, 4.4-star average rating from reviewers. Pushpin key specs. Wheel size, 26 inches. Motor, 250W or 500W rear hub. Battery, 250WH or 500WH, on frame. Weight, 66 pounds. Claimed range, 20 to 60 miles. Balance scale pros and cons. White heavy checkmark comfortable design for casual rides. White heavy checkmark choice of motor and battery sizes. White heavy checkmark step-through frame for easy mounting. Crossmark heavier than some other cruiser e-bikes. Crossmark not ideal for steep hills or off-road trails. Who is this for? Heavy checkmark riders who want a stylish, comfy, and easy-to-ride e-bike. Heavy checkmark those looking for an electric cruiser for neighborhood rides and errands. Heavy checkmark anyone who values comfort over speed or performance. Would you like a comparison with other cruiser-style e-bikes, or help finding the best deals?